Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. You can see I've changed the angle a bit because the place where I sit and make videos is a bit preoccupied. It still needs to be packed, and this bag number 2 as well. So I wanted to make this video since the beginning of my YouTube channel, but I never got the chance. Now seems the right time because I'm traveling, so let's get into the video. Wondering what's all behind my back? I'll show you once I come back. I'll give a room tour, but for now you can just see that's the mess I create, and that's the chair जिस पे सारा सामान gets loaded every time. And that's the painting my friend offered me because I'm an Eiffel Tower fan. Also, if you wish to know where I am headed, follow me on Instagram because I post regularly over there, and the next vlog will be up the next week. And I know you cannot wait 7 long days. Just follow me, guys. So my first bag is almost done. And now some of the very important things: umbrella, dryer, straightener and raincoat. I'm telling you, never underestimate the power of these 4. And now the same process with the second bag. Keep on piling on. They seem dirty. Let's wash them. Oh, and also, can we appreciate this little garden my dadi has created? Cute, no? Let's get a little dirty. While the shoes are drying out, let's get to the second bag. So basically it has all the things handy, and just look at this one. Cute, no? As much as I like to go with the flow, I also like to be ready if anything spontaneous happens, like barish. You never know. And the 2 pouches that I prepared, I'm keeping them on hold. Now this little thing is really interesting. It's a waist pouch and you can keep your important things in it. I'm left with these things: my laptop because I have to edit this video, and my airport outfit is ready. And moving on, I have my pen drive for transferring purposes, my dongle, which is very convenient for my laptop, this power bank, little charger, hard disk, and what's that? Oh, that's the odd one out. Oh. I'm getting late for my class, so I have to rush. I just have to pack the rest of the things really quickly. Alright guys, if you like this video, give a huge thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe and all the good stuff, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Till then, keep on dreaming and hustling.